Cold shower in the morning? No. Cold river? Not one close by. So we'll do the cold water from the hose.
Let's go! Go! Okay.
Go, Cooper.
Oh, oh, that's awesome. Oh. Woo! That boy on fire! That boy on fire!
I don't know, Chase, if I can do it. Okay, cut the camera. Oh God, we're ready for the morning. Looks like a big drop. Oh, look at the little sign there. Chase says, "Don't go on bridge, may fall."
Oh, tired, not shriveled up.
Oh, oh,
This is crazy.
oh! You ran up and weren't expecting this, were you?
No.
Oh my gosh! Did you hear that? We hit a deer.
Did you really?
Yeah. What are you here for?
Oh, we're here all winter because my son works at Home Depot.
Oh, you are? Okay.
With as tough as this stuff is, that
Just
Flex Seal.
Put it on there?
Yep.
Okay. Flex Seal, huh? It's like the stuff you see on TV.
Oh, this stuff is tough as shit. You will never get that stuff to come on. Thinking if we just take that and just go right across there.
Oh, little bunny.
Oh, there's bunnies all over here, you guys. When we first pulled in here, and there was thousands of little baby bunnies.
You got a tan one back there.
Yeah, that's a little one. Hi, little guy. Hi. Come here. I got it.
Carry some of this stuff
There you
over
guys.
there.
No, that's fine. I got it. There you
Thank
go.
you so
Perfect.
much.
Appreciate it. Warm in here.
Coffee's just finishing up at me.
Perfect. To do a little hazelnut, do a little mix. Oh, dude, well, you don't have some problems over there. Yeah. That's good. You open it upside down. You gotta open it right side up.
Hey, ready to snow.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too. You got weather like this, cold temperatures like this. What do? We find a place to cold plunge.
Why are we doing this? How much do you guys want to bet this park is going to be closed?
Okay, if we bet and we're right, you have to do the cold plunge with us.
Nope.
What is that up ahead?
Shut up.
What is that? Is that a machinery?
Looks like a house. On wheels. What is it?
It's a house on wheels.
Self-service pay. They're closed, dude. We're not even supposed to be here.
That is so funny.
You guys, this is like almost undrivable now.
Dude, it's starting to snow harder.
Josh, we're never gonna make it.
Oh my gosh. We don't have to go that way, right?
Where are you supposed to go?
Right here. Crazy, dude. It's over for us. I think it's about a mile and a half in to get to the hot springs. Chase thought it'd be a good idea to mark his location. Is it hot? All these different little pools. Like, put our clothes while you're walking. Oh my gosh, dude.
You're taking your shoes
Bare feet!
I don't think you're gonna like this either.
You know what? I'm going for bright blues.
In the camera.
Pass on this opportunity.
Ready? Yeah, boy! Oh my gosh! This is incredible!
Cold. Oh, dude. I can't even handle the brain freeze.
And now, hot springs.
It's so hot.
Oh, that was hot!
Hey, Mom, get your bathing suit. Okay, Jamie's getting in. She's doing this. She didn't want to do it. She didn't want to deal with the cold. Woo! She's getting in. Getting in. The hot spring. Are you in your pool over there, Chase?
Okay.
So, the challenge is going to be getting dressed.
In a hot sprite?
Oh gosh.
Wipe your feet off.